Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today I did a video about this Hello Honey font, and I was going to do a second video about some of the things that you could change, and then somebody reminded me, and I really didn't look this morning when I went and got the font, that it's really meant for only personal use only, and if you go to DA Fonts where I got the font, seemed like more and more lately they've been for personal use. Some of them are personal use, some of them 100% free. So when you go through there, I used to see donate to Arthur more, and if I really use the font, I used to actually I've donated a couple, but free for personal use. Demo, I don't really understand that. So just be careful when you're using that. But with that said, when I went to Honey or yeah, Hello Honey, and there it says it right there, free for personal use. But right here by EF Studios, here's an Etsy account where you can buy that font for $8. I mean $8. And I've actually heard, and I'm gonna contact these people and see. I think it's more user friendly if you have purchased it. So if you're going to use that font, it's only $8, and I will update you whether it's. Evidently, he's got some other fonts too that look pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that kind of cleared that up. So be careful, and uh, you know, like the person that reminded me that all clip art's not free and all stuff like this is not free. It's free for personal use, but you couldn't use this on a sign and sell it. So so be careful out there and uh, play the honesty game and do as the people who invented it wishes. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.